guys, welcome back to my channel. I know there's nothing more relaxing, luxurious than having a spa day at home. This entire process from lighting to music to treatments, ये सारी चीज़ें ना आपको काम करती है. They make you feel chilled out, relaxed and of course distressed, right? In case pandemic को ध्यान में रखते हुए you do not want to step out या फिर आपको ज़्यादा spend करना ही नहीं है. In that case, I have planned at home de-stress party routine जिसको आप अपने घर पे बहुत ही अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ना किया तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें and press on the icon. Okay, so first we'll set the moods by lighting up candles. Now play some music from your favorite playlist. Now I'm gonna use this bathtub and fill this bathtub with warm water. After that, you have to put your legs in warm water. Go ahead and use some fresh flowers. And once you have done soaking your feet, आपको नॉर्मल पानी से अपने पैरों को वॉश करना है. I'll be using the M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub. And last, you have to wash it. Okay, so coming to the next, take some amount of moisturizer and apply it to your hand and massage it well. Okay, now moving on to the next step, apply some hair oil. And wash your hair with mild shampoo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आई होगी. मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना. Till then, bye, see you. Stay home, stay safe.